Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech Helpline. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to email YouTube support. To get started, let's open your YouTube studio. In this interface, you can see your profile icon. Click on it. Now you will be navigate to this interface. Here you can see Help Center. Click on Help Center. It will navigate you to this interface. Now click on Contact Us. Now inside this box, write your issue. And click on Next. Here choose the best description of this issue. For now, appeal a policy. And click on Next step. Again, Next step. Now in this interface you can see email icon. Click on it. Now you can email YouTube support. This is how you can email YouTube support. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.